Hi guys, how's it going? Hey, how are we all doing? Welcome back. Hey, another Wednesday, another shave. I was going to say it's a late one today, but it won't make no difference to you, will it? Because it'll still go up at 10 o'clock tonight, Tuesday night, 10 o'clock. Put it up before I go to bed because I just won't have time to do it in the morning. Okay, so yeah, but it's late for me. We'll talk about that during the shave. Okay, the brush, look. Here we go. That's the Simpsons T3 Sovereign, Trafalgar T3 with 26mm sovereign knot fire copper handle. That is, and we're going to get that when I put that in the official John Shaves Super Soaker. What we're using today, come on razor wise, check out this bad boy, guys. That's the Gillette Slim Twist. There you go. We've got that twist to open. There you go. This is the one the Beatles used, not the actual one, but the one the Beatles used. I was wondering what razor to use. Now, Mark Zaredi was going on about the Slim Twist. I thought, you know, Mark Zaredi was going on about Gillette Slim Twist, and I'm all at 6s and 7s, guys. I'll explain as I go through the shave. And I thought, I've got one of those. The Monday morning mailbag. I've got one of those. Mark Davis very kindly gifted it to me. So what we're going to put in it, we're going to put one of them. These are an awesome blade, guys. These really, really are. I think these are these the Polish made ones? I think they may be the vintage ones. I don't know. They were gifted to me. I can't remember who by. But my word, they are a phenomenally sharp razor. Very, very. If I didn't have a channel, I would just use these over and over and over again until I couldn't get a shave out of them anymore. There you go. We'll put that in there. We'll put that down, and we'll put that in there to get some heat into that blade. Simpsons again. Check this out. The Simpsons shaving cream and matching balm in sandalwood. This is good stuff, guys. Well, you know that because of the line. But this is my kind of sandalwood. We'll talk about it a little bit later. And we're going to splash up with Proraso Sandalwood. Now, I used this years ago and was singing its praises. We'll talk a little bit about that. But that, if you look, the A&E Simpsons, right? Check this out, guys. They've still got these Black Friday deals in. I'll go on this one because it's a sandalwood one. Check this out, guys. Limit £114. In the US, it's at about $125. A Simpsons chubby CH1 silver tip badger in a copper handle. Fire copper handle, which is the one I've got, copper ice. The iconic chubby series. The Simpsons legendary badger. Where we go, Alexander, there's something else. Yeah, you get the mini travel M3 copper handle, copper ice fire handle razor, specially weighed ergonomically, and Alexander Simpson's Ultra Glide sandalwood shaving cream. They've still got them there, look, in these Black Friday deals. So check that out. Now, this, come on, let's have a look. Now I've got, and I like Tobbs sandalwood, don't get me wrong, I do. But, oh, that's that. You shut your eyes, you would think that they were the accompanying splash cream. That smells exactly like that. Right, now I like Tobbs. But Tobbs is a little too sweet and it's extremely aromatic, extremely fragrant and sweet and flowery. And a bit too much for me. This is an earthier, lighter sandalwood, and I absolutely love it. And the splash. Now, I prefer these two to Taylors of Old Bond Street. Like Taylors of Old Bond Street, given a choice, I would have these two. And the sandalwood soap of that is good as well, but it's not as good as that soap. Anyway, that's that done. So what I thought we would do today, we would dip, and instead of lather on the face, I'll get my timeless ball out and we'll lather in that, eh? Woo. Hey, come on. Right, so let's get, I'm not long in from the doctors, guys. There you go. So we'll get that. See, look. Very, very soft cream. I've had that for years, and the scent on that is still, I would put it still at around about 4. So now we're going to put that. Yeah, that's pretty good. That'll do. We'll seal that back up now. We'll whip up the lather in the bowl. Yes, so you may have noticed me looking a bit tired recently. I mask it. I'm a man. We mask it really well, don't we? But I have had digestive problems my whole life. Respiratory, lung problems, digestive problems my whole life. When we were children growing up, we lived in an extremely damp house. We had an outside toilet until I was 12. No central heating, no double glazing, an old coal fire, and we burnt all kinds of rubbish to keep warm in winter, you know. And I think and then combined with poor diet, I think it's all just taken its toll, you know. Because I wasn't always a big guy. Everyone says, well, you know, no, it's not. So this past 3 weeks, I've been in pain, guys. I've been in a lot of pain. And I was justifying, look at that, and we'll go with that. I was justifying and looking for reasons not to go to the doctor. Well, I went to the doctor's today, and he seems to think I've got a bacterial infection in my stomach, which in turn is leading to an overproduction of stomach acid, which in turn is causing my stomach muscles and my intestines and the muscles surrounding them to go into spasms, just causing no end of pain, guys. It's debilitating. Look, it started to get to the point I was tired, you know what I mean? You just know, don't you? You know your own body. When I woke up this morning, I felt better than I've felt in weeks. And I drove to work. By the time I got to work, I was in absolute agony. So I just said to my boss, sit in the van at 8 o'clock and phone the doctors when they open. I phoned the doctor and she looked at my medical history. She asked me what was wrong. She went, yes, come down today. So I went it was originally 2:30, and then they sent me a text pushing me back to 3:30. And then when I got there, they never seen me till about 4:30, you know. But he's given me something to counteract the stomach acid. He's given me something he's putting off. He's got a course of antibiotics, but they said that you take 7 of them a day for 7 days. And apparently they are so strong and so powerful. He just wants to be 100% before he gives me the antibiotics. So I've got to go back in the morning with a little stool sample, and they'll test it for this bacterial infection. And he's gave me some muscle relaxants to help. He said that will ease it until we get the results back from these, and I can give you the antibiotics proper. So I wasn't actually going to do this today. I was going to leave it and put it off and do it tomorrow, but then I thought, if I do it now and I come home tomorrow and go to bed for an hour, and that's it. As you know, I like to be clean shaven. Not always possible. I'll have growth when I wake up tomorrow. I'll have some kind of growth, but I do like to be as clean shaven as I possibly can. So the Wednesday shave for me, it's kind of like it tied me over until I can do my real shave, you know, Saturday. Oh. So we'll get the meds, pick up the meds after, and the muscle relaxants, and the medications they've got to get them from the pharmacy. It's got to go on prescription for the stomach acid and the muscle relaxants. He said the name of them. I can't remember what they are. So I'll get those later. He said take them straight away. Just put a note on so I can go and get them straight away. And then they're going to run these tests. They'll have the results back with these, he said, by weekend. But he's pretty confident that it's this bacterial infection. So, no, I'll be honest with you guys. I'm just really glad I spoke to someone, to be honest with you, because you do it as men. We tend to explain things away, don't we? Well, it's not too bad now. I don't feel too bad now. I'm okay now. It's it's easing and so on, but I had to try and stop myself from talking myself out of it because it's been 3 weeks. And Angela said to me, John, after 3 weeks, you need to speak to somebody. So I'm glad I did. So that's where we're at today. This razor is the best shaving Gillette razor I've ever had. I've got a few vintage Gillette razors. I gave some to Just Lance because I didn't like them at all. I find them ultra mild to the point of being almost like toys. The Gillette razor that I've used. But I've got one in there. It was the first DE razor I ever owned. The one that started it all off, right? Gillette Rocket. And then shortly after that I bought another one. Another Gillette. Vintage Gillette. Adjustable. So I keep those two for nostalgia. No. But yeah, that's it really. Okay, we're gonna go on the mittens. Look at this, guys. Look at it. Can you see the sheen and the gloss on there? Yeah, it's the usual suspects, guys. The usual. Wow. I'm struggling to hold the razor because that dry man's that is just so slick. So, Angela's at work. Samantha's gone getting her nails done. I've been to the doctors, so Samantha's bringing in some wholemeal bread. I'm just gonna have a couple of slices of toast. And a cup of tea. And we'll go and get those meds. And hopefully if they kick in, I'll have an early night and get some sleep. But that is our shave, guys. Look, that is our shave. Oh. Oh. This towel's been hanging there since the Saturday shave. Oh, oh my word. Oh, right. Gonna have to get a fresh one now. What's going on? Look at that, guys. We did okay, didn't we? We did okay. Let's get some splash on. I've already had a shower. Had a shower before I went to the doctor's. Because he's my t-shirt pressing on my belly, which he did. Oh guys, when I got back out and sat in the van, I thought I was going to throw up. Oh, that's a lovely sandalwood, that. Absolutely wonderful. And there you go. That's us. It's been a flyer, hasn't it, guys? It's been a flyer. To be honest, I wasn't even going to do it. But we got it out there. Say hello. Keep you updated. Thank you for all the support and all the love. And that's it, look. Remember, guys, remember. Cold, dark world, warm, bright hearts. Be the reason. Yeah, say that to you. Tomorrow, not today, tomorrow. Make a promise with yourself now that tomorrow you will be the reason that somebody smiles. We're changing the world, aren't we, guys? Look after yourselves and each other, and I will see you on Saturday. If the postman comes, it's going to be a good one. Bye.